Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. How much money can you make on one weekend? Well, I'm going to show you all of the packaging I have to do and how much money I made on each platform this past weekend.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
First off, on Friday I had my very first fire sale. It was amazing. So I'm going to include those numbers in our totals. But I've already packaged some of the things because of how busy it was this past weekend. So I'm going to show you what I already have in the back of my vehicle packaged, and some stuff actually went out on Saturday. And so we've already shipped some United States Postal Service items, but I'll show you what I have to ship UPS. And so here we go. Okay, so let's package all of the items from Hooked on Pickin, including some of the fire sale items. Here we go. Okay, I've got everything added up. If you noticed, I did some things are going to go regular mail and some things are going to go UPS, as well as all the packages in the back of my vehicle. And so total weekend sales for Hooked on Pickin is, for regular sales, I made $275. And then don't worry, I'll take the fees off. And then for my fire sale, I made $1,470 for a total of $1,741. Take off the fees. So my profit numbers after my fees, not including the cost of the items, but just sales numbers, is $1,653 for Hooked on Pickin. Okay, now we have one item that we sold on eBay, so I'm going to package that up. Okay, we sold one item on eBay for $15. All right, now on to Mercari. We're going to go ahead and see what all sold there. There were 3 items sold. One of them I have already packaged, and you saw that a part of the grouping that's in the back of my vehicle, so I'm going to find the other 2, package them up, and give you totals. Got everything packaged from Mercari, and we had 3 items sell. 3, not 2. 3 items sell this weekend for $46, and that is after fees and after shipping. So $46 on Mercari. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to package everything that we sold on Amazon Merchant Fulfill, which happens to only be 1 item. I'm going to check and see if other things sold, but I think it's just the 1 item. So I'm going to go get it. I think it's already packaged. We'll weigh it and ship it. Okay, it was just that 1 item sold. It was a curtain rod, and after fees and everything, I made about $24 on Amazon Seller Fulfilled. Okay, now Amazon FBA. Of course, I don't have to ship any of that, so that's amazing. So I sold 17 total items over this weekend on Amazon FBA. All the items I did not have to ship. I'm so happy. I do have to pay about 30% fees, so the number that I will give you is the number after I pay my fees. So in total, I made off sales on Amazon after the 30% fees, $224 on Amazon FBA. Okay, and then we have Facebook Marketplace, which I sold 0. So I did post a few things on Facebook Marketplace, but they have not yet sold. So it is $0 for this last weekend on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, now Poshmark. This is the one where I have to ship the most. So have fun. Watch what we get to ship. It'll be a lot of clothing items, but hopefully we can get through this super fast. And I can give you total numbers, what I sold on Poshmark. And then, of course, everything totaled up for the entire weekend. All right, so I'm done packaging Poshmark. I did package a few on Saturday very quickly before my guy came to pick up, so a few of these items aren't in there, but I sold over this weekend. This also includes Friday. I sold 27 separate orders, more items. You saw me do a few bundles while I was packaging. Also, those really cute heels with the round circular heel. I still have more of those available on Poshmark, so check out my store down in the description. But 27 items sold on Poshmark after fees. I took all the fees off, $181. So that's what's on Poshmark. I'm going to throw these all in totes and then come back to you with total numbers for the entire weekend. Okay, woo! That was some work. So it ended up being that I had 1,653 on Hooked on Pickin for 68 separate items that I sold. eBay, 1 item for $15. Mercari, 3 items for $46. Amazon seller fulfilled, which is merchant fulfilled. Either way you want to say it. 1 item sold for $24. Remember, this is all after fees. I'm taking the fees out. So this is what I made after my listing fees. FBA, I sold 17 items for $224. Facebook, nada. No sales on Facebook this weekend. Poshmark, I sold $181 worth of 27 separate orders. So that brings me to a grand total over this weekend of $2,143, 117 different orders or items. So 117 packages. Woo! I know some of them, all of my Hooked on Pickin, I did the number of items rather than the number of package, but 117 items or more nonetheless, $2,143. So hopefully it's been fun to see how much money you can make in one weekend selling on various platforms online. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this last tiny box in the back of my vehicle to ship all my UPS stuff. And as you can see, I've set out all of my post office stuff. I'm sure my postal carrier hates me, but thanks for watching. And of course, watch more some of my videos and go to hookedonpickin.com if you want to find anything interesting.